Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancies released by Artificial Limbs Manufacturing Corporation of India. So let's start the video. Friends, Artificial Limbs Manufacturing is a government of India undertaking. It's a mini Ratna company. So they have released a couple of recruitment notification in various domains vacancies. So let's discuss them. So for Finance and Accounts Department, there are multiple vacancies from serial number 8 to serial number 12. So first one is Manager Finance and Accounts. It's a E4 grade level vacancy. Here the pay scale is 70,000 to 2 lakh. Upper age limit is 48 years. There is one vacancy for OBC category candidate and total experience asked is of 12 years. Then there is a vacancy for Deputy Manager Finance and Accounts. It's a E3 grade vacancy. Here pay scale will be 60,000 to 1,80,000. Upper age limit is 45 years. There is one vacancy and it is for SC category candidate and total experience asked is 10 years. Then there is a vacancy for Junior Manager Finance and Accounts. It's a E1 grade vacancy. Here pay scale will be in the range of 40,000 to 1,40,000. Upper age limit is 40 years. There is one vacancy for OBC category candidate and here number of year experience asked is 5 years. Then there is a vacancy for Officer Accounts. It's a EO level vacancy. Pay scale will be 30,000 to 1,20,000. Upper age limit is 30 years. There are two vacancy. One is for unreserved category candidate and one vacancy is ST category candidate. It's a backlog vacancy and no prior experience is asked. So all my fresher CA CMA friends can apply for these vacancies. Whether you are from reserve category or from open category, you can apply under this one post for unreserved category. Then there is fifth vacancy for accountant. It's a group D vacancy. Here pay scale will be 18,790 to 64,130. Upper age limit is 34 years. There are total 5 vacancies. 2 are for unreserved category candidate. 1 is for OBC and 2 are for SC category. Here number of experience asked is 4 years. So like this, these are the different vacancies. Now let's talk about the qualification requirement for these vacancies. So friends, for Manager Finance and Accounts, qualification asked is passed in final exam of Chartered Accountant or Cost Accountant. So you should be a CA or a CMA and minimum experience asked is 12 years post qualification experience. Then for Deputy Manager Finance and Accounts, here qualification asked is same, that is either a CA or a CMA. Here they have just mentioned the past final examination. They have not mentioned the member of CA Institute or CMA. So if you are just CA passed and not having a membership number, then also you are eligible, provided you are having a minimum 10 years of post qualification experience for the post of Deputy Manager Finance and Accounts. These are senior level vacancies. Then for Junior Manager Finance and Accounts, same qualification. You should be either a CA or a CMA. Here minimum 5-year post qualification experience is asked. Then for Officer Accounts, here qualification is either a CA or a CMA. No change in the qualification for Finance and Accounts. They want either a CA or a CMA. Here since there is no compulsory experience asked, it's just if you are having experience in accounts, taxation, etc. will be preferred. Then the fifth one was for the post of accountant. Here qualification was full-time graduate in commerce. So that is BCom candidate is eligible. Experience asked is 4-year field accounting function. Experience in tally is preferred. Now selection procedure. Friends, selection for Manager Finance and Accounts, Deputy Manager Finance and Accounts and Junior Manager Finance and Accounts will be through interview round only. There will not be any written test, provided in case number of eligible candidates are more than 20 per post, they can conduct an online or written test before interview. And for the post of Officer Accounts Accountant, selection will be based on online written test. So there will not be interview for Officer Accounts or Accountant post. Selection will be based on written test. Now some general terms and conditions. Friends, your age cutoff date is 1st May 2025. So by this date you should be meeting the age limit criteria. And one important point, that teaching experience and training period will not be counted as an experience. And friends, since the most of the experience asked is from PSU companies, but if you are working in a private sector and wants to apply for any of these vacancies, then you should have at least this much gross monthly salary to make yourself eligible for the required grade. Like for if you are applying for E1 grade, then your gross salary should be 60,000 around in private sector. If you wants to apply for E2 grade, then minimum salary should be 80,680. It should be the gross monthly salary that you should be receiving from your private organization. Then only they will consider you for the post in this company. So I hope it is clear. Now moving on. Now remuneration and CTC is also mentioned. So friends, if you join as Officer Accounts, here your pay scale mentioned is minimum 30,000, but your gross salary will be around 9,70,716, and after your confirmation it will be increased to E1 grade. So here you will be getting 13,02,288 as your gross annual CTC. So like this, for the different grade they have mentioned the CTC, and all this pay scale is as per IDA pattern, that is Industrial Dearness Allowance pattern, which changes every quarter based on the company policy. Now how to apply? Very important. Friends, candidate have to apply through online mode only by visiting website of the company. Step by step process is mentioned. You can check them regarding how to apply, and in case you are having any query or doubt, you can write an email to them at the mentioned email address for resolving any of your query. Now the important dates, friends, online application is already started from 24th May, and last date of making online application is 7th July 2025 by 5 p.m. So by this date you should apply for the required post. So that's all, friend. If you are meeting the eligibility criteria and wants to apply in a PSU company or wants to work in PSU organization, then you should definitely give it a try and apply for these vacancies. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.